Yan, ganyan-ganyan. Pag okay ka na, ilagay mo na yung paa mo dun sa ano. Balancing lang dyan. O yan, ganyan lang na. O. Yung preno sa kamay, ay yung kamay sa preno. O, balik. Yeah. Sige, ganyan lang yan. Kabagyan pala. Ito lang. O, pag kabisado mo na, mabibilis ka na. Oo, pupunta ka sa ano, puno. Sige. Diretso lang. Diretso. Ikot-ikot ka lang dyan, ha? Sa may flagpole. Uy, ang kalibot. Ba't ganyan yung eyes mo? Kalibot, but. Ang kalibot. O, sleep ka na. Kalibot, but. Si kalibot, but. Ang aking but. Si but. Kalibot, but. Burut. Burut. Ay, mangulangot siya. Iapong arong. Ay, kilig. Ay, kilig. Ay, sleep ka na lang. Daw tayo, sleep. Oh, sleep tayo. Sleep ang aking apo. Sleep ka na. Sleep na. Close your eyes. Si kalibot, but. Kalibot, but. Kalibot, but. Kalibot, but. Burut, but. Are you crying? Or you're sleeping? Kalibot, but. Makasimangot. Yay kalibot, but. Kalibot, but. Burut, but. Burut, but. But.
Speak tenderly, Jerusalem, and proclaim to her that her service is at end. Her guilt is expiated. Indeed, she has received from the hand of the Lord double for all her sins. A voice cries out, "In the desert, prepare the way of the Lord. Make straight in the wasteland a highway for our God. Every valley shall be filled in, every mountain and hill shall be made low. The rough land shall be made the plain, the rough country a broad valley. Then the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all people shall see it together. For the mouth of the Lord has spoken. Go up onto a high mountain, Zion, herald of glad tidings. Cry out strong arm. Here is his reward with him, his recompense before him. Like a shepherd, he feeds his flock. In his arms, he gathers the lambs, carrying them in his bosom, and leading the ewes with care. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Then the next is visa. Visa valid until February 22, 2024. So valid pa po ang visa mo nga, alis ka.
Hindi ka pwedeng umuwi ng alanganin, Kel. Miss Annal, yung ano niya, e-travel, isa-send sa'yo yun, parang copy lang, screenshot, okay. Pagawa ko na kay Maris.
Oo, sa office ate, sige.